Yeah, ndihappy ngomsebenzi wenziweyo, but I'm unhappy ngecondition yesibhedlela. There's still a lot that needs to be done. Njengoba nisazi uba kule ndawo yaseSasjonis emampondweni one-general le nto ihlasele. So now with ezi bhedi zimbalwa apha and ne-infrastructure oyibonayo uba it's collapsing, it's not a happy sign. So we still need to try to get more money to improve the infrastructure. Yabona, there's no driveway, there's technically nothing. There's technically nothing. You saw the beds. Everything that is there is old. The only thing that is new is the revamped building. So I'm happy with what we have done, but I'm unhappy with the condition, especially. We still need to request more money. Yeah, we will. Next week, sizazama ukuzokwenza apha phase 2 okwakha a new structure here ezokwazi uku-accommodate more. We was trying. We will. It's bad. Infrastructure backlog, it's huge, especially for health. If you go to Sulenkama, you go to Bambisana, you go to St. Andrew where we were yesterday, everything is in a very bad state. So the infrastructure is very bad. But at least government is trying.